Taking care of houseplants is supposed to be relaxing, but in reality, it can feel stressful. People often forget when to water their plants, they give them too much or too little sunlight, or they lose track of care routines. But that was a thing of the past. Introducing Blume. Blume is a smart web platform that makes plant care simple and enjoyable. Let's go through some of the main features. Here in the welcome screen, we can type our name, and then we will be directed to the dashboard. Here in the dashboard we can see some of the main statistics like waterings per day, total progress of waterings, and some of the recent waterings. Here to the left we have my plants view. Here we can see all the plants we have added. Depending on how many waterings they have, we can filter them by happy, thirsty, or dry. We can add a new plant by searching locally, or we can find something online powered by the Perennial API. We can add a location. We can add how many waterings, and we can use some of these icons or upload any one we have. We can delete any of those, or we can edit any of the specifications we have. Here at the bottom we have a AI chat. We can ask anything. We can ask how often should I water this plant, and this is powered through the Google AI Studio. We can have a watering event added here, and recent waterings will be shown here. Next we have the reminders page. We can enable some of these desktop notifications. We can test any of these notifications, or we can enable some email reminders. By enabling these reminders, we will get an email with all the plants that need water for any day. We can test this, and we will soon have the email. And there you go. There is an email with all the plants that need waterings for today. Next, we have a water log of all the plants we have and how many waterings we have in any day. We can also see some shops nearby where we can buy plants. And finally, we have some tips for make our plants thrive. For the front end, we use React and Vite together with Tailwind for the UI. For the back end, we use Node with Express. For the email, we use Node Mailer. For the database, we use Postgres and Axios. The API where we grab all the plant information is Perennial. And For the AI chat, we used the Google AI Studio API and Google Maps for the shops. And that is Blume.